So today we are going to build an amazing application which enables us the question answering system by uploading some kind of documents to the Chroma DB, and we can execute some questions and we will get some answers with respect to that particular context what we have uploaded. So here we are using LangChain framework to build this application. So here is the UI for our application. It includes the upload button where we can upload the text files here. And once the text file is uploaded, there will appear a window for asking the questions, which allows us to ask the questions to the system. And the system retrieves the answer from the Chroma DB and by querying the Chroma DB and providing relevant responses based on the question asked. This is a flow chart of our project. First, we are importing the relevant libraries, and next we are going to import the text file called odc.txt. This is basically a poem written by Homer, and these document we are going to upload it to the Chroma DB, and for that we need to load these files as text loader, and we need to split this entire document into chunks, and these chunks are uploaded to Chroma DB. So for initializing Chroma DB, we want an HuggingFace embeddings as a function to convert these chunks into embeddings, and after initializing this vector store, we are adding documents to this store, and after adding documents, we want to initialize a retriever for this Chroma DB, and this retriever enables us to execute this kind of questions to the system, and the system will provide the relevant answer with respect to the particular content what we have uploaded. Here we are loading the txt file using text loader, and next we are splitting these entire documents into chunks having chunk size 1000. That means 1000 characters. And just think about why we are going to chunk these documents, because this chunking procedure, this chunking approach enables our model to analyze these entire documents efficiently. See, it allows to refer small chunks instead of scanning the entire document. So this is a very efficient method. The chunked documents are represented as an array of document object which consists of metadata and page content. Next, we want to initialize the Chroma database. To set up this Chroma database, we need an embedding function. Here we are using HuggingFace sentence transformer as embedding, and next we want to assign this embedding function to the Chroma object and initialize the Chroma vector store. Here we add the chunked documents into the Chroma vector store. You can see a list of random IDs created with respect to each chunks. So let's go to the database. You can see that these are the chunked documents which we have uploaded, and these are the vectors with respect to each chunked documents. Next, we want to create a retriever from the Chroma vector store, which enables us to retrieve the relevant information from the Chroma vector store based on the question we have asked, based on the similarity of the question we have asked. So here in this code, we have using similarity score threshold as a search type, and here we are assigning the score threshold as 0.1. So this 0.1 number represents the minimum similarity grade which required for the matching purpose between the query and the retrieved document. So next we are setting the k value as for, it is nothing but it will provides the top 4 documents from the retrieved document. Here we create the retrieval tool using LangChain.tools and assigning the Chroma retriever to this tool, and named as blog post retriever. It basically searches and returns the answers based on the question we have asked, and we have assigned these doc tools to a list called tools. So following this, we initializing the prompt template. Actually, the explanation of this prompt template, the chat grok model initialization, conversation buffer memory integration, and creating React agent, these all I have already explained in my previous video, but the only change is the tools we have used in earlier video. We have used the tools as the Google API and Wikipedia. Here we have used the document tool for the retrieval process, and here we have initialized the agent executor using this agent tools memory and make this handle passing error as true. This is for the exceptional handling case, and here I have posted a question, who is Minerva. So when a question is posted, the agent consult our vector database using these retrieval tools, and which get back all the information, relevant information based on the question we have asked using this similarity concept. So this is the answer we received from the system, which is absolutely perfect. So here we have implemented the QA chatbot using the RAG retrieval system with LangChain technology, LangChain framework, and the code we have used here represent a core logic behind the application what we have built. Here we have used the Streamlit to build the UI. So this is our application look like. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.